Hey guys, in this video I would like to share with you something that's really crucial if you want to increase your productivity, and it's the Parkinson's principle, okay? Basically, Parkinson's principle tells you that you should embrace the power of very short deadlines, because what's happening is that the more time you assign for the completion of certain task or certain project, the higher is its perceived importance or significance. So instead of just delving deeper into that now, let me give you a very simple example. Let's imagine that you have to write a 1,000-word article and your deadline is in 6 months. Now what's going to happen is that most probably you will be procrastinating a little bit on that article. You'll be saying to yourself that, you know what, I have 6 months. Why would I do it now? There are more important things to do right now. And hey, guess what? You are right. There are more important things to do. However, what's happening in your brain, especially in your subconscious mind, is that this task increases its size, okay, perceived size. It becomes a monster, that elephant in your brain. Because what's going to happen is that, later on when you get closer to the deadline, you've been so used to the idea that you have to perform that task that you believe that it's so much bigger than it actually is. And before the deadline, you'll be stressing about it. You'll be thinking, oh my God, I have to do so much. Is it can I really handle it? But the reality is that it's just a quick 1,000-word article. You could do it right now. If I told you that you have to do it in 2 hours, you would just sit down, drink some coffee, and you would finish in 2 hours, maybe even in 1 hour. But if I give you 6 months, you'll be pondering about it and pondering about it. The perceived importance will increase and the task will become so much bigger. So you should embrace the power of really short deadlines, because that's when you really activate your brain, you activate your body to really go for it, to focus on the most important things that are necessary for the completion of that task. And to understand this concept, I want you to consider something else, okay? How many hours a day normal people spend on working? How many hours? 8 hours, right? Some companies, obviously, they go nuts, 15, 18 hours, investment banking, consulting. But I'm talking about normal companies. It's usually 8 to 9 hours per day. Now, we humans, we all have different abilities. We all have different mental capacities, different experience, all right? How come that each one of us needs the same amount of time to complete their tasks throughout the day? Does it really make sense? It doesn't really make sense, right? One person can do much more in much shorter period of time. But for some reason, we humans, we as a society, we agreed on that time frame that you need 8 hours every single day to complete your tasks. Now, the reality is that if your boss told you that you have to work for 12 hours, you would probably fill those 12 hours with the same tasks. You would simply procrastinate a bit more, you would have more interruptions, and basically, since you have 12 hours to complete certain tasks, you would use up 12 hours. However, if your boss told you, you know what, we have an emergency, we have to finish all of those things in 5 hours, what would happen? You would get yourself to work, you would sit down, focus on the most important things, you would complete your work within 5 hours. Now imagine it's, let's say, Friday afternoon or Friday morning, and there is some emergency. You have to go back home within 60 minutes because something's happening, you have to be back home, okay? And what's going to happen is that you have certain tasks to complete. You plan that you would sacrifice maybe 4 or 5 hours for the completion of those tasks. But since you have only 1 hour, you're going to sit down, you're going to drink that coffee, you're going to really focus on what's important, no distractions, no interruptions. You're going to work on what's really important. You're going to complete all of your tasks. And the reality is that the reason for that is that short deadlines are very powerful because they activate your brain, they activate your concentration. When you have a short deadline, instead of procrastinating, instead of pondering, oh, what should I be doing, and just thinking about thousands of different things at once, you focus on what's really important. You ask yourself the question, okay, 80-20 principle. What's the 20 from this 80-20 equation? What are the most critical tasks I can perform now? And you simply get things done. You get to work and you do whatever you have to do. So what I want you to do is, from now on, when you have some deadlines, I want you to really consider making them shorter. So for example, if you have a deadline, you have to complete certain project or certain task within 7 days, ask yourself a question. If somebody put a gun to my head, could I complete that task within 2 or 3 days? Is it possible? And if the answer is yes, guess what? It's probably better to shorten that deadline and try to complete that one task or one project within 2 or 3 days, because as I said before, what's going to happen is that instead of thinking about all the minutiae, all the unimportant tasks, you will actually focus on what's really important. You will not procrastinate, you will not be interrupted by people, you will not allow other people to interrupt, you will not interrupt yourself. You focus on what's important, you'll get things done. So make sure that you just don't simply listen to this concept and think about it intellectually, but make sure that you actually try to apply it in your life, because you can't take my word for granted. I think that you should definitely check it for yourself. It really works. Some of the best performers in the world, like Tim Ferriss, for example, are using those principles, and you should definitely try them in your own life.